Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to do a $1 coin roll hunt, and hopefully we have some success. I'll just zoom in a bit. Well, here's our first keeper, 2019 S coin. So starting to show some wear, starting to lose a bit of its shine, but only 1 million of each, so we will be hanging on to that and see what the values do over the next few years as to whether to keep them. I'm just keeping each and every one that I find for now, and you can always put them back into circulation at a later date. Oh, I'm dropping them tonight. Oh, shouldn't cut my fingernails. Too hard to open these things up. Now you'll see this one here has a line going through it. This is just an example of what happens when these coin, when they're still in the roll, and this coin may have been on the end of the roll, I didn't notice, but they're wrapped in a tough plastic when they're all grouped. They might be in a pack of 5 or 10 or larger bricks of rolls of coins, and then the bank staff will cut the plastic off with a Stanley knife and they'll damage the top of the coin. And you can see there, that's why it's got this line there. It's not a die crack, it's actually a cut line. So when you see that, that's exactly what it is. It's not a die crack and there's no additional value. So yeah, just send it back on. Have a feel of it, but usually it's just, that's exactly what it is. It's just a cut made by the by the bank staff. And this one's got lots of holes in it. I don't think it's an error coin. I think at some stage it has been in some something corrosive, and I'd say that it is yeah, certainly eaten away at the coin. So it looks like the moon, but I don't think or believe that to be an error coin. I've come across quite a few coins like that, but yeah, no. I always say if you can work out how to make error coins, then it's usually not going to be an error coin. Yeah, if you've got the ability to make them and you've got the know-how, then so has someone else. So it's usually not going to be anything special if you can replicate it. So. Alright, well, just the one find so far. That's a 2016 rabbit ear, so nice big rabbit ear there for the first coin of this one. Very big rabbit ear. Fairly common on the 2016, and you can see those lines. Can you see those lines in the background? Might be a bit hard to pick up. Hopefully you can see that. Those lines are actually fingerprints. So it's not an error, it's actually fingerprints on the coin, and no matter what you do, I don't think you can rub them off. No, they're still there. So that's purely just from someone handling the coin, and leaves those marks on the coin. But still, it's a rabbit ear, and certainly that's a keeper. I just thought I saw another cud, but it wasn't to be. So just on a different topic, while we're looking at these coins, so I went to bank the other day and I did share it on the Facebook group, but I came across some rolls of brand new 2019 5-cent coins. So I've opened up one of these rolls, and sure enough, they were full of brand new 5-cent coins, which was great. So I'm keeping a number of rolls. So I know that Tassie Adventures, Brad from Tassie Adventures, has also come across, well, he's literally got probably 100 rolls or more. So he's in Tassie. I'm in the southeast area of Melbourne, and just wanting to know whether or not you guys have been finding many. So whether it be in rolls, such as the ones I just showed, or whether or not you found them in bags. If you found them as just individual coins when just say going through some of the other coin lots, just in your standard 5-cent rolls. Yeah, really curious to have your feedback on whether you're finding them and where in the country you are. You don't have to give your address, but just give a location, like, you know, are you south of Brisbane, or, you know, that kind of thing. So just so we know where you guys, or if you guys are finding them, and we'd love to be able to tell whether or not they are, you know, out there and about and easy to find, or whether they're possibly a scarce coin. So yeah, love to have your feedback on that as well. Okay, here's another keeper, 2014 Mob of Ruse, low mintage, just over 1 million of these in circulation, and we'll certainly get more and more scarce to find as people continue to pull them out of circulation. So there is a mule for this particular coin, but that one's not it. So it's muled in the same way that the, okay, here's a keeper. I'm keeping all of these ones, the 2018 Mob of Ruse. So that's another keeper for now, and we'll wait and see what the mintage turns out to be. But yeah, there's a 2014 Mob of Ruse, not Mob, well, it's a Anzac, 100 Years of Anzac mule. A few of them have been found, and some have been graded. And yeah, well, that obviously wasn't one, but in the same way that the year 2000 mule is, with the 10-cent coin obverse, and yes, very, very similar looking. So keep an eye out for that. And far more rare than the year 2000 one, so will be worth a heck of a lot more than the year 2000 one. So I did a video on the Renix $2 coin display, because I asked Renix if they wouldn't mind sending me some product that I could do a video on, which they did. And they've also given me a book, so the brand new 2019 edition number 29 Renix Australian coin and banknote value guide. So this week we will be doing a giveaway on that, and I'll let you know when that'll be, but it will be this week. So make sure you tune in and get the details on how to win that one. But that'll be probably in the next day or so. So looking forward to giving that away. A few of those. Yes, $1 coin roll hunting can be hit and miss, but when you find something awesome, it's pretty good. I'll pick all these up and we'll finish on this roll, I think. Just going to zoom in and have a look at the 3. It is there, but it's only partially there, so there's probably nothing real special. You can still read it's a 3, so I'm not going to keep it, but yeah, it was an interesting one. Here's a 2019 S as well, so that's our second one for this hunt. There we go. And S and the number 35, just near my fingernail there, for the number of years that they have been in circulation. This is, I found a few coins that look like this now. We questioned whether or not it was a proof coin at some stage. It may have been. I'll put it aside for now and I'll compare it to my other ones. And I think I've found coins like that on the channel. And I think a few of you have agreed that, and we finished off with the year 2000, but not a mule, unfortunately. Alright, let's bring these in and see what we're going to keep for now. So we've got the nice rabbit here, 2016. Not a bad one, nice big one. We got there an S, 2019, and a 2014 Mob of Ruse, and a 2018 Mob of Ruse, hopefully low mintage. Another S, we got a couple of those, and this one that could be an old proof coin. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this quick little hunt. Not a bad little hunt, 10 rolls I'd say, maybe less, but not a bad little find. Alright guys, look forward to bringing another video too, and don't forget about the giveaway we're doing during the week. Thanks for watching.